So that is the gas prices. Here we do it liters, not by gallon. So that's what it is in liters. And my dad actually puts the nozzle in before he pays. So Australia is like that. You fill up, then you pay. So it's a little different from America, but that's how it is. And he has to hold it all the time. Like, it doesn't have the little stick to hold the pump for you. So he has to stay like that for a minute until he's done. So yeah, it's pretty funny. There goes my dad to pay his bill. Isn't it so strange, you guys, how like Australia just like trusts that people will literally go and just pay. But I will say this, there is a lot of incidents where people just fill up and then go and then drive off. Like papaya?
Oh, it would be beautiful this morning. Oh my God, ready to go. You better rest here like this, Carl, seriously.
Really?
Oh. Not right there?
No. I'm good. I love fruit. You've always loved fruit. You guys, this is kangaroo food. Hey guys, it's a koala. Is that free?
I'll pay the kick and get out.
Yeah.
There, this one there.
Hey guys, so we're here at the koala sanctuary, and I thought once you pay the tickets, you're good to go. Oop. But you actually have to pay extra to touch koala. So let's go check it out and see how much they want to cost you on top of the ticket to enter the park.
Oh, red-tailed black cockatoo.
Look, it's right there.
Oh, what the heck? We also have to go to the... Another session. Where's his face?
He's hiding behind. You guys, they're so freaking cute. Oh my lord, look at that one. Wow, he got a stank face. Look. Oh, he's watching. He's looking. He's like, what's up? How cute is she? Oh, he's so cute.
It's gonna make. Ooh! We'll play guitar.
Oh no.
They're so flexible.
So,
We just saw koala before.
Well, that's it.
That's like dog's Hello, darling. Winston sits on my hip. I'm gonna sit here.
So, are you gonna be number 3? Props.
He's like, I'm chewing. Let me chew first.
You guys, that was so cute. He's in a food coma, I feel, because he's like, nah, I don't want any more food. He's alone. He's feeding them. Oh. You're feeding. Here. He's so cute.
Giant meerkat. Hey, buddy.
This is what the kangaroos are eating. They give you a brown bag, and this is what they eat. So it's actually pretty cool, but that's how it looks. I like to just drop them so they have them. Now we're going to eat something, so let's go. And then at 2, I'm going to hold a koala, so I'm excited. This is the souvenir. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look how cute these are. Guys, right now I'm just waiting for our food. It's a big line, so I'm number 13.
Oh my god.
That is massive.
It's massive.
That is the biggest burger I've seen by far.
Seriously, I was expecting this.
They're so cute.
The water from the turkey bush. Bush turkey.
No, because it's good.
Yeah, he means business.
One jump and then it shook the whole.
Uh-huh. Yeah, look.
Wow, that is.
Alright guys, so I am going to see a koala. My sister's coming with me because she's the one that's going to take photos and stuff, but I cannot hold him, but I'm allowed to pet him. So, let's go.
She's gonna pet a koala.
Sure am.
To 15 years of age. In the wild, it's about 8 to 10, so in the wild, you can be considered like a
An older koala.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Yeah, Tango is pretty cool. He's only just started to come out here and do our experience.
Getting
but he's taken to it
comfortable,
very well.
They adapt so quickly, eh?
Yeah. Because they've obviously been.
I just touched Tango, aka the koala that I saw. This is how it looks. We had to stay in line. It's like one group per group, I guess. But you have to have a ticket before you go in and pat them. So this is how it looks. And that's all the eucalyptus. And that's all the trees to feed the koala. Alright guys, so we're going here to the reptile habitat. Let's go check them out. Hey bud. Oh, this one is sleeping. So cute. You guys, I've never actually been to this place ever before. It is the nicest, like, little koala sanctuary. I freaking love it. It's so freaking cool. So I guess it's different koala.
Black-headed python.
Careful, buddy. Careful.
He wouldn't say that to you if he was surviving.
Yeah, they look like that.
Those ones. They're insects. Yeah, they are.
Well, that's a big one.
The problem is that they camouflage hard. By the time you notice it, you're too close to them.
So this is a estuarine crocodile. It says despite having a relative small brain for their body size, about the size of a walnut, estuarine crocodiles are intelligent creatures capable of complex behaviors such as advanced parental care, communication, and teamwork when hunting. They can even put half of their brain to sleep while the other half stays awake to watch for their prey and threats.
Sorry. That's why I got the letter. I can't see.
They're so cute.
He's so cute. He's like showing off. Look at it.
He's doing a little twirl.
Oh my goodness. He's like, he's a...
Moved. They've moved. They're number 4 on the map. They're not here anymore.
They're so cute.
Buddy. Hey, buddy. Give us a hoy.
Vicky said that they're going extinct.
Yeah. They are.
Okay, so that is it. That is the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary here in Queensland. It is so freaking nice, you guys. If you ever do get the chance, definitely come and check this place out. I will leave all the details down below. Thanks for coming. No idea.
Steak.
Is this a well? Oh, it's got coins. Alright guys, we're out. This is where you pay to get into the park. So there is free parking here. You don't have to pay for parking, you only pay for the ticket to go to the park.